Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. I wanted to put this out real quick. I was looking at the um, Bitcoin futures, and I was looking at gold futures, and I had kind of noticed that the patterning was kind of similar in the two. So that's Bitcoin futures here. Oh wait a minute, let me fix this. Alright, so we got our, I'm sorry, that's S&P. Bitcoin futures there. Alright, this is a 1 year, is it a 1 year chart? 6 month and a day chart. And then we got our gold. Alright, and when I was first looking at it, I was thinking it looked like Bitcoin was moving the inverse of gold. Alright, Bitcoin futures, did this little W looking thing and then sold off. And then gold futures did this little W thing and went up and starting to go up. And their MACD down here, if you look, starting to roll up also. Okay, so came down, popped up, went down again, now it's above the line again, and it's starting to head and cross the center line and go higher. I had the MACD on my charts before, but I could never quite figure out how to use it properly. And then I was watching a YouTube video of Naveen Prifyani, I think is how I pronounce his last name, but Urban Forex, and he explained the MACD a little bit better, or I shouldn't say a little bit, he explained how to use the MACD. So check that out if you can. And I'm just now starting to use it properly, I think. So, but if it works the way I think it's working, then it's going to be another tool that I'll continue to use. But yeah, he explains it really well. So anyhow, you're looking at our MACD, we should be heading higher in gold, and Bitcoin futures is still a sell, right? We haven't quite hit our bottom yet. Bitcoin futures. Okay. I was kind of thinking it was the inverse of gold, Bitcoin futures, but it may just be following gold, but a laggard. If you know what I mean. Alright, and then also gold, GOLD, right? Got our sell-off coming down here, pop up, push down even lower, and then crossing over our MACD again. And as you can see, our lines on our MACD with the sell-off, this was actually our low here. That low there is a false low according to the MACD. That actually should be higher than this low. So I think that means we're going to be going higher. Okay, in gold. Alright, so that's all I got. I wanted to put that out real quick. I saw that. I'm sitting there looking at the charts tonight because I had to work late today, and I got home and I didn't feel like looking at this stuff, and so took a little nap on the couch. It's a tough day today. Anyway, yeah, but yeah, it's looking like gold's a buy and Bitcoin's a sell, but that's just what I'm looking at. Alright, do your due diligence and check it out and figure out, what works best for you. But yeah, so I just wanted to put that out real quick. But oh yeah, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna start putting these little things out periodically also. I know all my holiday trades are looking like poo-poo, and my lithium trades are looking like poo-poo. So everything's looking like poo-poo at the end of the year, but we'll see what happens going into the new year, heading on into 26 and 27, because as we get closer to 2035, we'll be seeing those lithium stocks, and already, I should say that, there's heavy investments in them. Still, Elon Musk is still interested in PLL, Piedmont Lithium, and GM has got a large stake in LAC, Lithium Americas Corp. And Lithium Americas Corp, if you know about GM, when GM crashed back in 2008, and it was 75 cents, the government came in. Oh, was it 2008? I forget what year it was. Anyway, whatever year it was, 2000, whenever the government came in and bought GM, and that right there kind of solidified the fact that GM is not going anywhere. You know what I mean? Because the government owns it, pretty much. So anyhow, so it should only, benefit from being in partnership with, LAC, Lithium Americas Corp. So anyhow, that's just wanted to kind of pop on real quick and bring up the fact that how gold and Bitcoin are looking so similar in their trading patterns, but I think we're going to go a little bit higher in gold and a little bit lower in Bitcoin for a little while. But that's just how it looks to me. That's just how the leaves are reading right now. So anyhow, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and the subscribes, and hit the notification bell. And be careful out there. These markets are crazy.